Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete folders for your pinned applications within Windows 11. Now guys, in a previous video I showed you how to create these pinned folders for your application. So if you have not yet seen how I create this, you can go ahead and check out that video to learn how to create folders for your pinned applications. Now, how do you go about deleting or removing these folders here just like this? All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on that folder, and you want to go ahead and drag out the application or one of those applications from that folder. Once you drag it out and let go, that pinned folder will be released or will be removed. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So guys, I hope you found this useful, and if you do, you can go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.